In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you review drafts, mark edits, or want to clearly show text that should be removed without actually deleting it, the strike-through markup is perfect. Have your PDF open in Acrobat Pro, and let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. Start by locating the highlight icon in the commenting tools. In most layouts, you'll see a small toolbar with annotation options across the top or on the right. The highlight icon looks like a yellow marker. Clicking this not only activates highlighting, it also reveals the family of text markup tools so you can choose the exact style you need for editing. Next, select the strike-through option. Depending on your version and workspace, you might see a small arrow or a mini menu attached to the highlight tool. Click that to expand the text markup choices, then choose Strike Through. The icon typically looks like a capital T with a line through it. Once it's selected, Acrobat is ready to apply strikeouts to any selectable text on your page. Now apply the strike through by dragging across the text you want to mark. Click at the start of a word or phrase, drag your cursor to the end of that section, and release. You'll see a clear line through the text, and Acrobat will add a corresponding comment in the right-hand panel. This makes it easy for collaborators to see exactly what you're proposing to remove and why. If you need to strike through multiple areas, just keep dragging over each section. The tool remains active so you can move from one edit to the next without reselecting it. A few helpful tips as you work. Strike-throughs only apply to actual selectable text. If dragging does nothing, the page might be a scanned image rather than live text. In that case, you'll need to convert it to searchable text first before you can mark it up. You can also fine-tune the appearance of your markup. Select a strike-through you've placed, then open its properties to change the color or make that style the default for consistency across your document. If you make a mistake, use Undo to step back. Or click a markup and press Delete to remove it. And if the cursor doesn't look like a text tool, ensure the strike-through option is still active before continuing. That's it. Click the highlight icon, choose Strike Through, then drag over the text you want to cross out. With these simple actions and a few customization tips, you can mark edits clearly and keep your review process tidy and professional.